It refuses to give me my other gun.
My Tamagotchi hat.
So who wants to be in the middle first?
I will go first.
Okay.
I have no confidence.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure laying down.
How close are we gonna be doing?
Yeah, how close?
Kind of like a,
Like this
I'm
close?
here.
I mean, a small circle. So I wouldn't
What if
necessarily
we
say
do
that
it
close,
like
but
the
like
person in the middle stands in the crater and everyone
stands on the outside of the crater?
on the
That's
crater.
smart.
Oh yeah, I guess, yes. I'm fill these gaps.
Alright.
Yeah.
Bombs up.
Ready?
Let's do it.
Yeah.
I guess just keep spinning and oh well, yeah, we'll
Oh.
take turns, I guess. So whichever direction we want to go.
So whoever goes in.
I guess
takes
Shane.
first
You.
Place.
Screw yeah,
We'll
yeah.
just go clockwise, I
just
guess.
Go, just go, just go.
What the?
I don't know.
Put it over there.
All right. Oh well, that sucks.
Oh,
Hey.
got him.
So is it my
You already
turn?
went your turn. Ace.
Yeah. Hold on, let's fill the circle a little more. We may have to get a little closer just to let's like right on the outside of this crater. Is where we should stand.
Aid shoots me. It's going right in my penis.
Yeah.
I've been
Fuck
muted
it. I want it in the
this
ass. Right in the crotch.
What? I am.
Little triangle. What's up?
time. Don't stay. Next.
All right. Yeah, let's try and fill the circle a little better. I mean, I know it's tough with just three of us, but
Just three of it. Yeah.
4 of you.
dang it.
You Rudy boy.
Oh. Wait, why did Jayden leave?
Yeah, he has to get off, unfortunately.
Wow.
So it's just a free target, I guess. Just
You got him, Shane.
I did.
Yeah.
well, I guess. I don't really know. I guess to determine the last two
Just keep
people, we can
spinning.
just do a gun battle.
Fuck's sake.
That works.
Which
Yeah,
one
just
of
keep
us
spinning
will
until one of you guys die.
There it is.
You're a winner. Oh, damn.
All right. Let's do another round. If I can figure out where I'm at. What if? What if we all try and do?
Wait.
What if we all try and make the circle here, in the middle of it,
in there,
between the
oh.
Yeah,
sandbags
yeah, no,
and
this
stuff?
would be better because it's more uniform.
Oh.
Oh, hey, you know what? That is a good point. Who's going first?
Um.
John, go first.
There we go.
This one.
I don't trust you.
Ooh.
Who?
John.
Someone's gotta stand the. You guys are bunched up.
I knew it.
Let's get it. Alright.
Oh,
Shit.
I swear to God, this game is so bullshit.
John.
Watch, I'm gonna get shot. Yep.
All right. Dang it, man.
You boys ready to go to Mexico?
Oh.
the way that body is like, I don't know, man. It's
You gotta
different
get
for
hard
me, I guess.
flashes.
Right. Now it's just starting to mean you again, John.
Let's do it again.
Like that.
It's fast.
Sweet.
Round 3.
Cool.
Got this.
You know what? I haven't been in the middle yet, but I don't know if
Go
I
ahead.
want to be.
I see. Yeah, we'll let you go.
You literally can't get shot when you're in the middle.
Well,
Okay.
Alright, literally.
Your sensitivity doesn't seem too high.
Yeah, you gotta turn your sensitivity up, babe.
Oh,
That
I
seemed
don't. I'm so
I'll take
sorry.
that though.
Well,
That's
then-
I'll take that though.
Where the fuck is my?
Oh,
Roller. That's where I'm.
no.
What could we be looking at?
Oh, wow.
I made like a little smiley face here.
Okay, I fixed my sensitivity now. Can I come back?
Yes.
Oh, good God. Is that better?
Yeah, it's your turn. Go.
Yeah.
Go. Go.
Let go.
Nope.
Oh. Did not like. Wait, is it your turn or mine?
It's yours.
Back.
Oh, I shot this guy. Ah, Nani!
I'm scared.
I don't like how close this is getting, man.
And you shot this dead body.
Yay! Alright, and now
That was a
we
good
just
shot.
spin in circles and keep shooting until one of us dies.
Oh.
Wait, is anyone else still? Oh, he's still spinning. Okay.
There it is.
Damn it!
I got someone.
I got some. Okay, that
What
one just is.
Yeah, it makes
Literally,
sense.
the only part I saw until then was just AIDS. it.
Yeah, right.
Pretty much the gist of it.
So yeah, each person
Awesome.
will get 2 shots while spinning in the middle.
Use both.
All right, who wants to go first?
I guess I will.
Oh God.
And then both barrels loose.
Do you have a sniper scope on yours?
We both do.
Oh my god.
I shot the ground.
God damn, that's scary.
You did shoot the ground.
If you kill me, I swear to God.
Both were very
You're going-
close to me. Fuck!
Is it my turn now?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh. So
Why
we'll
does
have
it
to
seem
try
like
and spread ourselves out a little more. Do like a triangle
Try
type
my
of thing
turn.
here.
I'm the cop character, isn't it?
Oh.
So that is a bad spot to stand in.
Apparently so. I still died. Are you kidding me? How does that even work? Come over here. That's messed up, man.
Just get a drum and some.
I can't breathe.
That's
The best part, like,
I
I
was
watched-
worried I was gonna get shot.
I watched back the kill cam and you just cannot see me.
So I mean, we just.
Yeah, just
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 spin
spin and
until
just
somebody
constantly
dies.
shoot.
Oh no.
Oh.
Alright, round 2.
point in killing me at the end? I don't get it.
Why not, right?
It makes sense.
My exact. Okay, I'm not standing there. I'm standing right here this time. I'm not getting shot right
Oh,
away.
this is a really cool gun. I like
you
your
like it?
gun. Yeah, it's sexy.
It is really cool, actually.
I like the white paint on this.
I guess I'll go first then.
You picked up mine?
Hey, go right ahead. I did.
Oh, fucking freak.
I was so
Sexist
close to
shit.
being second.
John, maybe? I think John's turn.
Okay. Okay. My headset died. Yeah.
I think that goes back to Shane then. Doesn't it?
Oh, it does.
I
think so.
I don't know. That's spooky.
You shot above their heads.
It happens.
Here, wait. John, come on this side. That way it's like you guys are across from each other.
I am, yeah.
No, I mean, you come here, because I'm going in the middle. I mean, yeah, so you're
Oh.
across from Shane. This is the farthest I made it. Alright, let's go.
What the fuck? God
Wait,
damn it.
who did...
I was literally behind a wall, too. You fucking kidding me?
Who else did I kill?
You know what has to happen.
Oh, man.
Cool.
Alright, well, I guess
What the hell?
Really?
one
Hit marker?
one more round, then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Good stuff.
Where's another one?
He's over there.
Get over here. Oh, did someone kill him?
I was just gonna go there. Not be alarmed.
Are
Hey!
you fucking serious?
I'm gonna take your spot.
I feel like I would have died if I wouldn't have moved. Sorry.
Instant karma.
Wait, hold on. There we go.
Oh, I just picked up that gun.
Well, looks like we're at this again.
This is the house of Slytherin.